Okay, so now let's proceed to the motivation. So I have prepared number 1. I need 5 slides. Okay, number 1, number 2, 3, 4. Okay, see ganyan. Andito, ito yung chalk. Yes lang.
Duro.
May idea or wala?
Brush.
Ako na lang magamit kung ano. So, pag sinabing brushing siya is when the soap accidentally lies on the piglets. Ganun yung ano nito. So, pag sinabi ng mga certification is when piglets can breathe, obtain from being trapped under the soap or in tight space. Yung ano. That's lang.
Okay.
So, on the other hand, our taker waiting for a soccer girl to waste a lot of time. Bakit nga ba? Waste of a lot of time. Ang ano po, yung naghihintay ka na mag-farm yung so, parang waste a lot of time doon. Ang bakit nga? Siguro magdabas ang baby and ano siya,
Siguro po risky yung paglabas ng baby kaya siya, it takes time para hindi talaga yung knowledge ng nutrition na magpapaanak ng baboy.
kasi according sa nakita kong video, I think kung 3 hours naghihintay sila. Yung napanood sila, naghihintay sila. So now, this advantage can be avoided if you know the indicates during the time of farming. So, meron tayong 4 na disadvantage para maka-avoid tayo sa pagkakaroon. So, during farming. So, remember my class. First,
Restlessness. Lasso or guilt shows signs of nervousness by scratching the floor of the pen, frequently lying down, standing, and gasping for air.
So, pag nakikita natin yung yung sound na parang ganito yung mga signs na parang nakikita nila kapag nagpagod talaga sila. Okay. So, saka other din, yung nila, other signs, yung nag-aabot sila sa pagkain. So, dito.
Enlargement of the mammary gland. The mammary gland is distinctly enlarged, showing distant spaces between teeth.
So, dito yung lumalaki yung mammary gland ng soil na mabilis talaga siya. Lumalaki talaga siya. So, yun yung mga talaga. Naklaro lang?
Yes po.
Isama.
So number 3 is milk letting. The presence of milk when the leaves are pressed with finger implies borrowing within 24 hours.
So, the reason of the melting down is there's major hormone changes, especially the risk of oxytocin, meaning that the cell is released from the farrow. Ano na yung niya. So, the importance is it helps farmers to live thoroughly at 24 hours, allowing them to prepare for safe and assisted delivery if needed. Okay, the number 4, nag-alas ang disadvantage.
Water discharge from the vulva containing pieces of baby snakes or portion of placenta. This shows the beginning of farrowing.
So, di ba, parang yung mga baboy or kahit ano man yung mga sata, parang pag nakikita natin yung parang movie, parang may palabas na tayo. Oo, ganun talaga. Parang sign na talaga siya, parang nalabas na talaga yung baby. So, dala. Yes. So, let's listen to the management practices during farming.
breathing the newborn to allow it to breathe freely.
May picture pala po wala pa naman din. Sorry, nakalimutan lang. So, ganito. Laro lang. Diba? Yung baby parang madumi pa siya. So, yung mga like dumi na yun, yung sa number 1, need daw alis niyo para yung lymphatic is makunin na siya. So, yung mga need dumi, depende sa nagmamayari ng ano, or nagpapaanak doon. Pero yung mga ginagamit yung mga tawag. Pero dapat clean. At yan din, dapat hindi yung agad-agad nilinisan mo siya. Dapat ano lang, so the second,
Cut the neighbor card. Awkward. So the board card. The cord is long and fresh. If it touches the ground, it may serve as an entry for bacteria which causes diseases or conditions.
so ito yung board na ito, board. Ano, clear na.
Yes, ma'am.
So, kapag daw yung mga touches sa ground, para po daw sa mga infection or
Diseases.
So, need natin siyang i-avoid kasi ganun talaga yung nangyayari sa atin. So, the third, next.
So number 3, cut the liver teeth. A newborn teeth has 8 sharp and pointed teeth, for each on the lower and upper jaws. If uncut, the teeth will cause pain and may wound the soul's mammary gland.
So, ganun naman, ito yung na kailangan cut. At sinabi doon, kapag daw hindi tinag yung tip ng ano, ng baby face, pwede siya makasunod sa mga ligagan. So,
Yes.
so the number 4, yung
Secure the newborn pig inside a clean box with place an incandescent bulb above the box to warm the figure, especially at high and early in the morning.
So, ito yung example na dapat yung pages na review siya. So, next lang, nara lang.
Yes, ma'am.
So, ang reason kung bakit kailangan is newborn piglets need warm because they can regulate their body temperature well. So, kailangan talaga na yung bago ka talaga ng baby pigs. Okay, so the next, number 5, other hand.
Assist of the newborn pigs to suckle for colostrum or first meal. So this is done as soon as the piglets have been picked.
So, ayun na nga, cardinal dapat malinis muna yung mga baby pigs bago natin siyang i-colostrum. Yung sa first meal.
Oo, kasi yung first day kasi daw, ano daw yan siya, full of nutrients. So, pinahanglan na siya
Ganito.
sakit na ano, things to avoid mga infections.
Newborn pig need colostrum because it boosts their immunity, promotes essential nutrients, and help protect them from diseases and their early life. So, number 6.
Cut the tails of the newborn pigs to avoid tail biting during the growing stage, if this is the part of management protocol on the farm.
So, kailangan daw natin i-cut yung ano na, cut the tails of the. Pero yung nakita ko, yung, hindi naman lahat cut. Ito, hanggang may cut talaga. So, yung nakita ko dun sa video, 2 to 3 ganito. Yung air. So, parang, so, yung purpose nito is it's important because it helps identify this big for record keeping, health monitoring, and proper management. So, klaro lang?
Yes.
So, do you have any questions, clarification?
Yes.
So, on one question. So, why is it important? You know on how to manage practice farming. Bakit? Anyone? Why is it important that alam mo kung paano siya i-manage yung during farming? Kasi, di ba, pag hindi marunong ano yung side effect. So, ano naman yung din na parang alam mo talaga
To prevent mortality.
ang inis bagay yung kanyang
For me man, to know, para malaman siya is para ma-prevent natin yung mortality rate ng mga piglets and also to prevent disease or infection sa mga piglets. Kasi sayang din ma'am if lalo na kung yung ginagawa mong for farming is para sa negosyo or pambenta, sayang din it may mamamatay kasi profit din yun.
correct. So, thank you, Ms. Baguio. So, now, let's proceed to our application. So,